Not even gonna. Tastes so artificial. Like. Artificially flavored.
Yeah. What's good, YouTube? Chilling, you know what I'm saying? Chilling, you feel me? Just posted up, you know what I'm saying? But today, we're going to talk a little bit about the Glock 27. You know, I really don't know, you know, my camera angle or whatever, so I don't know if I can, like, maybe y'all can see this, maybe you can't. I don't know, but I'm gonna just sit like this. You know, but all we're gonna do today, you know what I'm saying, is talk about the Glock 27, maybe go over a little bit of gun safety, and we might talk about, like, maybe the direction of the channel, because I really don't know what to upload, you know, if I'm not shooting stuff. So I'm gonna try to make some content without shooting stuff. But before we get into it, I have an empty magazine here. I have a loaded magazine here. Oh shit, dropped it. But now we're gonna pull this gun back to ensure there's nothing in the chamber. We're gonna lock it back. We're gonna kind of show you that, you know, it's an empty weapon, and we can go ahead and set it down. So the mag that I just dropped is the 13 round mag. It's not the flush mag. It's a 13 round mag, and it holds the 40 Smith & Wesson round. Got a 40 Smith & Wesson. It's a hollow point. I haven't really tested it like I wanted them to. I haven't really tested this round like I want to test this round, but you know, one day we're gonna get there. We're gonna have a good range to go to. You know, not an expensive range. You know, something good. Maybe my own land, something like that. I don't know, but I need something where I can make some videos for y'all. We got the 13 round mag in there. I don't know too much of the specs of this gun, but I'll let you get a good look at it. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully it's focused and all of that. But yeah, man, look nice little gun. Nice little gun. Little Glock 27. Let's see if we can fit it in our pocket. If we had to, like in a pinch, like, oh shoot, gotta put it in my pocket. My bad, I've been a little sick. But yeah, it'll fit in the pocket, you know, not too heavy, you know. I mean, it got some weight, I ain't gonna lie, but like it ain't heavy, you know. But I'm gonna sit back down. But yeah, man. Oh shit. This is what it looked like with the flush mag. Little G27, little G27. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how good you can see or what, but yeah, man, that was my video on the Glock 27. I hope you liked it. As far as like the channel direction, probably like trying to find somewhere to shoot, you know, because there's videos I already have in my mind. I just can't make them. But yeah, man, like I don't know, I just but like, you know, I want to upload, so I don't know what type of content you're gonna see here. We'll try to keep it gun related. You know what I'm saying? Even if I gotta go to the store, record that, Like, I just need something to upload to show to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't went nowhere. I'm still working on it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much it. Short and sweet, I guess. So let's try to get some like a picture. Like, just want a picture. Hold up. But yeah, man, that's the Glock 27. Hope you liked the video. Give me some ideas in the comments. If you know, maybe I can upload a video every day just talking about a gun. You know, maybe I'll show a different gun tomorrow or something. But I'm gonna mess with y'all. I mean, I'm gonna talk to y'all. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, 96 Gunning. And what else? Everything 96 Gunning. Just look up 96 Gunning. I think just on Twitch it's not that, but Twitch is like spelled out. Like I'll probably put a Twitch link in just in my bio or something. But I'll talk to y'all next time. Is there anything else? I think that's it, man. We're gonna do like a little. Let's see if we can do like a outro song or something. Or hold up, this could be the outro.